Today I'm going to show you exactly how to disable dark theme in the OneDrive app step by step. If you found your OneDrive turning everything dark and it's just not your thing, or maybe you need a light background for better visibility, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to switch OneDrive back to light mode and make it stay that way no matter what theme your phone is using. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open your OneDrive app. Just tap the familiar cloud icon on your device's home screen or app drawer. If you can't quite find it, try searching for OneDrive using your phone's search function. Waiting for apps to load can feel like forever, but give it a second if it's taking a little time. Sometimes OneDrive can take a moment, especially if it's updating in the background. With the app open, your next step is to access the settings. This can look a little different depending on your account, but you'll want to look for your profile icon. For some people, it's up in the top left corner, and for others, it's on the top right. It might show your initials, or it could be a little thumbnail picture if you've added one. Give that a quick tap. This area is basically your control center in OneDrive. It's where you handle all your account and custom settings. Once you tap the profile icon, you'll see a menu appear. Somewhere in that menu will be the settings gear icon, usually labeled settings. Go ahead and tap that. Don't worry if things don't show up straight away. Some menus take an extra second to load, especially if your device is running older hardware or if OneDrive is syncing files in the background. Inside the settings menu, you'll find a range of options, but what you're really looking for is the appearance setting. Depending on which version of OneDrive you have, it could be called theme or sometimes appearance. It's usually not buried too deep, but if you don't see it immediately, try scrolling down a little. Once you spot it, tap on that option. Now you should be seeing choices for how OneDrive displays on your phone. You'll typically see options like light, dark, or maybe system default. Here, where it gets important. If you want OneDrive to always use light colors, regardless of whether your phone is in dark mode or not, you'll want to select light. So give that a tap. Just a quick note here. Sometimes after you select the light theme, the screen may flicker or reload briefly. That's perfectly normal. It means the app is applying your new settings. In just a moment, everything should swap over to a light, bright interface, making your files and folders much easier to see if you prefer the classic look. And that's it, you're all done. From here on out, OneDrive will stay in light mode until you say otherwise, even if your phone switches between dark and light themes later on. This is great if you need consistency across your work apps, or if dark mode just isn't your thing. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials just like this one. And if you have any questions, or maybe you're running into something different on your version of OneDrive, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.